Our state-of-the-art home appliance 4.0 smart factories span across China and Africa, producing millions of refrigerators, air conditioners and washing machine products each year, using machine learning and AI. Our smart factories employ best-in-class manufacturing techniques and standards to create efficient production lines across multiple home appliance product categories. A harmonious blend of advanced robotics and specialized workforce makes sure every detail, every bolt and screw is precisely accounted for during the assembly process. At Hisense, every integral part of our appliances are either produced or assembled in our 7 automated factories around the world. We invest a great deal into designing new, expansive manufacturing processes and updating our facilities with leading-edge equipment. All of this helps us piece together our award-winning products with absolute precision and efficiency.